Hi students, welcome back to Chemistry Online class. Today we will learn the last part of the chapter Molar Volume. Before starting the topic, let's recollect the concepts that we learned in the previous classes. GAM. The mass of an element in gram equal to its atomic mass is called 1 gram atomic mass of the element. 1 gram atomic mass of any element contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atom. We can find the number of GAM by using the formula given mass in gram divided by GAM of the element. And we know 1 GAM of a substance is equal to 1 mole atom containing Avogadro number of atom. Similarly, the mass in gram equal to the molecular mass of a substance is called gram molecular mass of that substance. And 1 gram molecular mass of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecule. The number of GMM in a compound can be found by using the formula given mass in gram divided by gram molecular mass. And also we learned Avogadro number of molecule present in a substance is called 1 mole molecule. That is, 1 GMM is equal to 1 mole equal to Avogadro number of molecules. Today we will learn the relationship between volume of gases and moles. Let's begin. We know the properties of gases are different from solids and liquids. In gases, the molecules are very distant apart. Compared to the size of molecules, the distance between them is much greater. In the case of gases, at a given pressure and temperature, the volume of a gas depends upon the number of molecules and not on the type and size of the molecules. So whatever the gas may be, at the same conditions of pressure and temperature, if the number of molecules are same, will their volume be the same? As we know, according to Avogadro's law, equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure will contain equal number of molecules. Consider two different gases with equal volume at same conditions of pressure and temperature. Their number of molecules will also be equal. Let me define clearly. 1 mole of any gas under the same conditions of temperature and pressure will contain the same number of molecules and hence their volume will also be the same. This volume is called molar volume of the gas. What happened to the volume of gases if we change the temperature and pressure? While analyzing the gas laws, it was clear that if we change the pressure and temperature, their volume is also changed. Scientists experimentally proved that the volume of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, 1 mole of any gas at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure occupies 22.4 liters. 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure are known as standard temperature and pressure or STP. That is, 1 mole of any gas at STP will occupy a volume of 22.4 liter. This is called molar volume at STP. Observe the gases with a different molecular mass. Even though its molecular masses are different, all these gases contain equal number of molecules at STP. That means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules are present in 1 mole of any gas at STP. All the gases contain equal volume, that is, molar volume of 22.4 liter. Observe the table given in your textbook. 1 mole of different gases and its volume are given. Whatever the gases may be, 1 mole of any gas at STP will occupy 22.4 liter of molar volume. If so, can you tell me what is the volume present in 1 mole of oxygen at STP? Right answer, 22.4 liter. Now you know 22.4 liter of a gas at STP is equal to 1 mole. What will be the number of mole present in 44.8 liter of a gas at STP? Yes, 2 mole. How did you get this answer? By dividing the given volume with the molar volume. And can you tell me how many mole will be present in the 224 liter of a gas at STP? It is 10 mole. The number of moles of gases at STP can be found by using the formula volume in liters at STP divided by molar volume. Now can you complete the flowchart given in your textbook related to 1 mole of substance? Given 1 mole of any substance contain Avogadro number of particle. You have to find the number of GAM and GMM and the volume present in a 1 mole of a substance. The answer for the worksheet is given here. If you understand this topic, you will be able to write all these answers. So let's conclude what we learned today. We learned about the relation between volume of gas and a mole. 1 mole of any gas at STP will occupy a volume of 22.4 liter.